Okay, so today is Monday, July 17th. It's about almost 12 o'clock in the afternoon. I just want to make a quick video with the update of what's going on with the house. As you can see, it is very, very, very gutted. So my plan is to level the floor joists and the girders underneath. So some of them are pretty rotted, and I think a dog must have been under that one because it's pretty chewed up right there. That's not dry rot. That's from something chewing through the wood. And there is a carcass of a dead animal over here, right there. There's the head over there, and there's the tail. So I don't know, maybe something got trapped under here and was trying to get out, because there's a couple places where, and you can see right there too, it's all chewed up, where something looked like it was trying to get out. And also that beam over there, that joist over there, and then also in the middle right there. So the plan is to I got my first string run here, so the plan is to run strings all the way across the floor, both this way and this way. And I already have one lined up over there. I don't know if you can see it, but let's see. Yeah, there's the string right there. So I know the worst part of the house is right where the bathroom used to be, which is right here. So it's very chewed up over here. So I'm gonna have to do a lot of work over here. Not all the joists, but some of the joists are rotted, and you can see where they tried to fix some of them. So what I'll do is I'll have to get some probably 2x10 or 2x8 pressure treated, and then reinforce all the joists. And move the toilet pipe. I decided to move the bathroom to where the laundry room is now, so I can make the bedroom. This bedroom was pretty small here, so this bedroom will be the same size as the master bedroom, and then the kitchen, which used to end right here, will now end 3 feet back. So that's quite a bit of space. So the kitchen will be bigger and longer, and then the bedroom will also be much wider, probably about 3 foot wider as well. So I had to walk on the joists since there's no ground. So the bathroom will go where the washer and dryer is. So the bathroom will actually be a little bit bigger. The bathroom before was 6x8. Now it'll be 7x8. So my plan right now is once I move the toilet pipe and the drain for the shower in here. Let me get this off of wide angle. So move the washer and dryer out. Put the shower right here. I'll move the door to against the wall here. This will come out. Move the door here, and then move the water heater. I'm thinking about moving the water heater actually outside and making an enclosure for it, and then sealing it up. So this will be actually a pretty decent sized bathroom. Like I said, it will be bigger than the other bathroom. Eventually the washer and dryer will go probably here. So I haven't quite figured it all the details out yet. The washer and dryer may have to go on this side since the door is on that side. But that's kind of where we're at. So that's it for now. There's my dog, and so I'm about to start leveling now, and here we go.